Okay, so let's start with the second part of the CloudOps. So before we go further, let us try to understand the difference between CloudOps and DevOps. CloudOps is an extension of DevOps, complementing the latter by using cloud computing tools instead of on-site network servers and taking the continuous operations that DevOps enables into cloud. DevOps is a methodology that helps IT operations and development teams collaborate more effectively, which includes practices and procedures that help organizations shorten their development cycle, reduce time to market, and continuously improve software delivery and quality. These processes ultimately add up to create higher level of uptime, improved quality of service, and positive customer experience, all critical for a successful digital transformation strategy. So, where does CloudOps fit in? Where IT teams migrate systems to cloud native infrastructure, the cloud based applications and data require management. CloudOps encompasses the best practices and procedures that help team across cloud architecture, software development, security compliance, and IT operations to manage that cloud infrastructure. In essence, CloudOps is a practice focused on automating software delivery, application management, and server management, all while provisioning everything from the cloud. CloudOps functions and objectives. The functions of the CloudOps team within an organization require a wide range of skill sets across an organization, including IT operations and other IT teams. DevOps teams, business application operation teams, and cloud service providers. The overarching objectives of CloudOps are keep cloud services and cloud infrastructure up and running, optimize performance and capacity, ensuring that the cloud budget isn't extended on wasted space or idle resources, and keeping tabs on operational costs. Meet service level agreements, manage compliance as well as configuration, make sure there are proper recovery and mitigation measures in place. Managing a cloud ops environment. Some organizations have realized that traditional IT service delivery models do not work for cloud operations and are now doing cloud ops with new cloud platform management tools that support deployment, provisioning operations, and optimization. However, while almost all organizations are juggling diverse cloud configurations from multi cloud to hybrid clouds, most don't realize until nearly halfway through the cloud migration that they can't manage cloud operation with additional IT ops. In short, some organizations have not yet discovered the importance of cloud ops, whereas others have developed specific cloud ops strategies and tools set to handle the growing complexity of their systems. While continuous operations aren't specific to cloud technology, in a cloud environment, it takes the right cloud ops procedures and best practices to prevent unplanned downtime and outages. With auto and self provisioning, organizations can set up dual redundant systems that allow operations to remain up and running in case of systems and software updates as well as system failures. In addition to redundant systems, cloud allows for abstraction and management software that helps systems work around failures and updates. These include cloud management platform, that is CMP tools that can automate continuous operations as well as reparations when systems failures arise. CMP tools enable self-healing when failures in storage, network devices, and other systems occur before end users experience the issue. Metrics and monitoring systems tools on public and private clouds, which proactively identify issues gather data on the state of their system when kickstart automated procedures to resolve problems in advance. So we need to be clear that that to reach zero downtime and achieve continuous operations in the cloud doesn't happen just doesn't just happen with a one fix tool all for solution. Some questions and helps that and steps organizations interested in cloud ops need to consider are determining what applications and data sets they plan to host in the cloud and what will be required to migrate them to cloud platforms. Creating and updating a deployment plan to prevent application and system updates from instantly halting operations and to dramatically reduce or completely eliminate unplanned outages. Using the auto and self provisioning mechanism of your cloud platforms to build redundant services, selecting the CloudOps tools including CMP and monitoring tools. Best practices for managing CloudOps. Managing CloudOps environment requires an entire organization to embrace a paradigm shift. It demands a separate team dedicated to IT operations in the cloud, incorporating experts on security, IT, cloud services, compliance, and more. Increasingly, businesses have acquired or have acknowledged this need for dedicated cloud ops or operations teams. According to recent Flexera State of the Cloud report, 66% of enterprises already have a cloud COE center of excellence, and an additional 21% are planning one. Weighing the risks and benefits of cloud ops. Cloud based platforms have a unique advantage over ones that require an on premises network operations center. They are by far more scalable, more infrastructure agnostic, more latency tolerant, and more automated. In particular, the intersection of cloud computing and DevOps yields immense benefits. Using cloud services means organizations have flexibility and scalability, and cloud ops help services be more secure and reliable. Some of the advantages include cost effectiveness. Cloud computing lets organizations save on not only hardware cost but also on expenses from utilities, facilities, and other components required for the upkeep of physical infrastructure. Scalability and flexibility. An organization can easily adjust cloud capacity to accommodate its needs. Teams no longer have to worry about finding extra space or configuring new hardware each time cloud capacity expands. Automation. Cloud comes with several perks: provisioning infrastructure, creating builds, running quality tests, creating reports, and more functionalities that automate processes and ultimately reduce time to market. Disaster recovery. Fires, hurricanes, tornadoes. Your cloud infrastructure is resilient against many types of disasters. Unlike physical infrastructure, cloud-based systems let you store data in multiple locations. Continuous operations, update and deploy software without skipping a beat or causing service disruptions. These benefits are typical of cloud migrations in general, but just because you have cloud infrastructure in your environment doesn't mean you'll realize all the advantages. CloudOps optimizes your organizations with the right practices and procedures so you can really get the most out of your cloud infrastructure. CloudOps challenges include possibility of budget overages, as well as governance issues. Budget issues. Organizations waste in estimated 30% minimum of their cloud budgets as a result of inefficiencies and idle resources. Cloud computing may be scalable, but that scaling often comes at a cost and should keep in step with the organization's associated cloud budget. Want to learn more? Check our outpost covering recent IT spending and budget trends. Governance. Another potential adverse effect of quick scaling as a lack of governance. Rapid deployment may make it more difficult to have proper insight or oversight of all workloads in the cloud and manage budget, governance, and compliance. Thank you.